Hi everyone, welcome to Eating Secret. Today we're making our very popular little gingerbread men, the pink gingerbread men that I usually do at Christmas. So I'm just actually pouring my lye into my oils, all at room temperature today. So we're going to blend these oils up with the lye, and then we're going to add some pink colour because I like them to be pink but not too bright. And then the fragrance we're using today is the ever so gorgeous KISMET from Gracefruit. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a dupe of Karma. It's not the strongest, but it is really gorgeous. The best dupe of Karma that I know of. So let's get these oils blended. So as you can see, we're now opaque, so our oils and our lye are emulsified. And then we're going to add some of this hot pink pigment to the soap. I'm just going to add a little bit at a time because, as I said, I don't want it to be too pink. Sure, this fragrance soaps really well, but I'm not going to put the fragrance right into my whole pan. I've got about 6 kilos of soap in here, and if it seizes then I'll be gutted, won't I? It'd be such a waste. So I'm just going to do 1 kilo at first to see how it goes. So we'll let these set up overnight, and we'll unmold tomorrow, and then we'll paint onto them all the little buttons and the eyes and eyebrows and lips and nose and dicky bow. So they're not huge, these, they are smaller than my bar soaps, so I'm only charging £3.50 for them, and they'll come in a pretty box, but they're going into the gift sets that we're doing, and the gift sets are now live, by the way. I know a lot of you have been waiting for them. And the gift set is going to have 7 soaps in, including this one. And the soap slices are actually half the size of a regular bar, so it's an excellent price. We've got on the website, the link is in the description box below the video. So that's all of our Christmas soaps. I was going to do more. I can go on and on and on and on with Christmas soaps because there's so many I want to do, but I'm going to stop here at the Gingerbread Men because I need to do some other products as well, such as bath bombs and wax melts, and possibly some surprises too.
'Cause I've got my love to keep me warm, and what do I care how much it may storm? I've got my love to keep me warm. Oh, winter weather, I love the winter weather, 'cause Christmas time is pulling us closer to each other. Winter weather, now we can get together. Oh, Christmas time is pulling me closer to your heart. I'm gonna jingle with you, baby. I wanna get to know you better. Hey, I'm gonna jingle, jingle, jingle.
Okay, now time for the unmoulding. It's our little cute man. Smells wonderful at the moment. Delicious. Now we just need to paint all those little buttons and cuffs and bows and smiling eyes on there. So let's do that, shall we?
How much fun it's gonna be together. Why do I care how much it rains snow? 'Cause I got my love to keep me warm. Why do I care how much it rains snow? 'Cause I got my love to keep me warm.
Okay, so we're just going to take some titanium dioxide and a little bit of distilled water. Whoops, that was a bit more than I wanted. Literally just a drop for now. You could probably use rubbing alcohol to do this as well. And then we're just going to take a paintbrush . Now I remember last year it needed to be quite thick, and taking a thick off the bottom was better to use than just dipping it in. I need some glasses. Because my old eyes cannot see like they used to. And then most of the water will dry off, just leaving the titanium dioxide on there. Now, if you remember last year, I did try to pipe the decorations on, but it didn't look anywhere near as nice as just painting them on like this. Oops. And there we are, there we have our painted little pink gingerbread man. And there you go, a shorter video than usual because these are so easy to make. Obviously the painting is rather time consuming, but they do look super cute. And I've got a nice packaging idea for them as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to buy any of these, just pop over to the website and you'll see we've got lots of other lovely products on there for sale. www.edensecret.co. I'll see you all there. Bye bye for now.